Um, right. So one thing that is kind of cool, and I think that a lot of people don't realize that they can do it on the Kanban board, on the smart Kanban, is that you can sort by different variables. The standard one is when the record was created. So the things that were created uh, last are going to be up, and things created first are going to be down. But you can change that order. But you can also sort by different variables here. So if, for example, I sort by favorites, and I click here on save, as soon as a project I assign it as favorite, it's going to rise to the top, right? So you can set it in a way that if you want something to be more important or more urgent, you can just sort by favorite and it's going to rise to the top of the view. And one other thing that we can do now is add conditional colors, right? So I can do the same thing and add a conditional color. It's going to be, we don't know, yellow. And they're only going to be painted yellow if favorite is true, if I checked something as favorite. And you can already see here that it painted some that I know are favorite already.